Please, mother trucker, please.
Really?
Give me a rubber
Dude. Okay, come on.
Okay.
Let's play some Go Fish, man.
What?
Do this.
Okay, stop acting black.
God, just a little fun. Amber, do you have a 6?
Wait, I gotta have a joker.
That's gonna be hard.
Oh, don't be rude like that.
Yo,
No.
you gotta steal my 6. Gosh.
That's right. Ooh.
Go, Britt.
Can I have a 2? No. Shut the freak up. Now. Oh my gosh, tripped. Anyways, I need a 2. Yes, dude.
Wait.
Go fish. Right?
Go Fish.
Go. Go to the fish, girl. Go to the fish. No.
Oh. Y'all jokers got a joker?
Go Fish, fool.
So, that's not good.
It's not a lot of play.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know that. I'm gonna go make me a new drink, food.
Have so
Okay.
much air in there. Have much air. We'll be like,
we'll have to chill for a second. I guess. So did you hear what Stacy did at the prom?
no, what'd you do?
Sorry, guys. I
Oh,
was
you-
cut.
Are
Okay.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm
As long
fine.
as you're fine.
Oh, what
What the crap? Oh, my God.
What the heck happened?
What happened?
Here,
was-
I'll hold your phone.
Okay, hold my phone.
Oh my God. Girl, you okay?
Girl.
Where'd you go?